Ooh, the room is terrible. Don't look over here. don't look over here. Yeah, just look right here. Just look to me. Look to me. All right. This is Beats with Kev, and we're actually gonna go back hard to doing some chillwave, synthwave, vaporwave, whatever wave, just wavy stuff. That's just all we're gonna do. My mic sounds like really weird right now, but so far, just to kind of show you guys what I have. And I definitely have to probably clean it up a bit. I'm on the wrong one. And then I have this. It sounds really nice right now, actually. But now, if we can figure it out. Nah. We gonna get it, because I want this to be hard. Like I kind of have it. Like I kind of have it. Like let's see, something like. Okay, I actually do like that. So let's actually try it out. Okay. Okay, I don't even know if I hit that right on the first. Yep, I already missed it. It's like I feel like I'm 90% like there in terms of like how I'm feeling about it. So let's just keep it going and see where it goes. Woo, that sound wet. That sound wet actually. That actually sound wet. But I want to add something with a little bit of flair. Give it like, let's see. What could I actually use? All right, I got some synthwave drums. I have a lot of drums. I don't even know where to start. Okay. But with that one's cool. Oh man, like half of these I don't even know. That's so crazy. It's slowly getting there. It's coming around. Sometimes I just like using a pedal board just to kick up everything, make it sound a little bit like more full. I wouldn't suggest it with like everything, but with like most stuff. That actually sound cool. That one's kind of cool. But I feel like it don't have like that flair. It's like there's something off about this. Okay, let me see how it sounds with a little bit of. Let me add some stuff. Ooh, that sound dope. I wonder if I can make it sound a little bit more like old timey. Like I have a ton of stuff compressing it anyway. Yeah, because I know this isn't the sound I want, but this isn't like it's like it's barely there. So let's actually. All right. I like this like lo-fi feel to it. I feel like I need to add more to it though. Like in terms of like instead of that 4-bar kind of pattern. Oh, come on, Kev. Come on, Kev. You got this. You got this. And let's see how everything sounds. Okay. I feel like Lance Vance. I'll do my dance like I'm Lance Vance. I'll do my dance up in Vice City. Yeah, I do my dance. I'll do my dance. Hey, I do my dance like I'm Lance Vance. Hey, I do my dance. Hey. Okay. Ooh, this room is terrible. Don't look over here. don't look over here. Yeah, just look right here. Just look to me. All right. Anyway, that's an actually really good beat. That one's different because that's the first time I actually tried to make a straight up like chillwave, vaporwave, synthwave, outrun type beat without like trying to have like hip hop stuff to it. Like actually trying to kind of be in the same vein as like Onra or something. So that one's a little bit. I'm like I guess with this one it's like I'm not sure if I'm hitting the right chords or hitting the right things, doing the right things this time around. But that's why I do this channel. I do it just because, you know, I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I'm just kind of making it up as I go. But this is for everyone just to sort of see, like, you know, not everything I get, not that it isn't gold, but like not everything I create or something, I sort of have an idea of what it's going to be. Like when I started it out, I didn't end up knowing that it was going to be like this way. But if you did like it, you know, give a thumbs up. If you didn't, give a thumbs down. Tell me what you thought. But other than that, you know, yeah, just keep making beats and keep even showing me some, see what you guys make and all that. I want to hear what you guys make too. So, you know, everyone have a good one and stay safe. Yeah. Oops.